garlic and rosemary lamb with sweet corn hummus. Start by heating a char grill pan on medium. Cook the corn, turning for 10 minutes or until tender and charred. Meanwhile, place the oil, garlic and rosemary in a shallow bowl. Stir to combine. Add the lamb and turn to coat. Remove the corn to a plate and cool slightly. Cook the lamb on the char grill for 4 minutes each side or until cooked to your liking. Then transfer to a baking dish, cover with foil and set aside for 5 minutes to rest. While the lamb is resting, use a small serrated knife to cut down the sides of the corn to release the kernels. Place the corn kernels in a food processor with the chickpeas, extra oil, extra garlic and tahini. Process until almost smooth and well combined. Then transfer to a small bowl and season with salt and pepper. Next, place the rocket in a bowl with yellow and red Perino tomatoes and cherry tomatoes. Toss to combine. Place the corn mixture on a serving platter, then add the lamb. Serve with rocket mixture and sprinkle with rosemary and season with salt and pepper. This tender lamb dish is great for weeknight dinners or entertaining.